What if everything you know about big is actually small? Right now, you're standing on Earth, a planet that feels massive. Oceans, mountains, entire continents. But in the scale of the universe, Earth is almost nothing. Because out there, floating in the darkness of space, there's a giant so powerful, so massive, that it makes Earth look like a grain of dust. That giant is Jupiter. Imagine this. Take one Earth, now duplicate it again and again and again. Not 10 times, not 100 times, over 1,300 times. That's how many Earths could fit inside Jupiter. Let that sink in. If Earth were the size of a small marble, Jupiter would be a giant basketball. And that size is not just for show, because with size comes power. Jupiter's gravity is so strong, it doesn't just pull objects, it controls space around it. Asteroids flying peacefully through space suddenly change direction. Comets get captured. Entire paths bend, like space itself is being warped. Jupiter is not just a planet, it's a cosmic gatekeeper. Now imagine getting closer, closer to this giant. At first, it looks beautiful. Swirling clouds, glowing colors, peaceful from a distance. But that beauty is a lie, because inside those clouds lives a storm. Not just any storm, a storm so large that Earth itself could disappear inside it completely. This is the Great Red Spot, and it has been raging for centuries, nonstop. Winds here don't just blow, they scream, faster than any hurricane on Earth, stronger than anything humans have ever experienced. Lightning flashes across endless clouds, and the deeper you go, the worse it gets. If you tried to fall into Jupiter, you wouldn't land, because there is no solid ground. Instead, you'd sink deeper and deeper. The pressure would rise instantly, crushing everything. Within moments, you'd be gone, and that's not even the most dangerous part. Jupiter is surrounded by the strongest magnetic field of any planet. Invisible waves of energy, powerful enough to trap radiation and create massive glowing auroras across its poles. This planet doesn't just exist, it dominates, and orbiting around this giant is an entire system of moons. Not one, not 10, over 95 moons. Some covered in ice, some filled with volcanoes, some hiding oceans beneath frozen surfaces. Jupiter isn't just a planet, it's a world of worlds. But here's the twist. For all its power, all its size, all its dominance, Jupiter has one thing missing, something Earth has, everywhere: life. No oceans filled with creatures, no forests, no cities, no humans, just endless storms and silence. So yes, Jupiter is powerful, but Earth is something far more rare. In a universe full of giants, Earth is the miracle.